Okay, so we're gonna talk about shell script parameter, and yeah, let's just started. So what is shell script parameter? So if you're like command line interface, if you have already learned C, like you already encountered this, like the argument on when you compile the code. So you, for example, like you're gonna pass the argument on the one line of code in command line interface. For example, it's kind of like this. So we're passing the argument. So it's kind of advanced way. Like if you don't have experience and you don't understand this on this type of level thing, I think you should learn C or Python at this point. I'm not gonna explain it like, so this is how you're gonna pass the argument like that on the line. So this one on here, like here with space. So that's how you're gonna do it. So let's pass it with 2, 3, and 4 like that. So that our first argument is 2, 3, and 4, and how many argument we pass is 4. So you can do it like how many you want anyway, like 9. You see this total number is 9 arguments. So I'm gonna clear it one more time. So let's talk about the pop the parameter and how we're gonna use it in our bash shell anyway. So on and how we're gonna get the argument. For example, there's a use case. So you should remember this, the $1 to 9. It represents to 1 to 9 argument. Very straightforward. So you see this 1, 2, 3. So first argument, second, and third argument. And we're gonna go to the next ones, represent position parameter argument after 9. So this is if you want to get the 10, 9, or 11 argument. Like if you're programming over 10 arguments, kind of crazy anyway, but you should be using 1 to 9. Don't try to overcomplicate your code anyway. Use only the 1 to 9 anyway. And represent name of the script 0. So if you see the 0, I'm gonna run this thing, and you're gonna get the script name is hello world. So this is the one you're gonna use the $0 to get the script name. And you can get all the argument in single line by using this one, dollar and the asterisk and dollar, and like that, same on this one. So represent the number of arguments. So we see this on here, I use this on here, total number of arguments 9. And so next is PID, memory ID. If you're gonna like find the script ID, if you're gonna try to close it, you need to find the ID. It's kind of useful if you know how to use this thing. And represent the last return code. So this is all the shell script parameter that you can use anyway. It's kind of advanced anyway, but you should take note on this. I'm gonna put this on the description so you can understand it more. If you have question, maybe leave a question anyway. I told you before, like passing argument in command line interface. If you don't understand it, try to learn it on C or Python. You can get understand it more easy like that. We're passing 2, 3, 4 on our file. So first argument is 2, second argument is 3, and the third argument is 4. And we get the script ID memory, so we can kill this if we want to. And 3, how many argument is 3. And yeah, so I'm done with the argument, and see you in the next video.